Part 2, Doing words or verbs. Let's see some action words. Draw, read, write. Lean, carry, pull. Hopping, jumping, bending. Crawling, running, walking. Kick, dig, laugh, cook, smiles, talk. What are action verbs? The verbs that describes the action or expression done by a person or an animal is called doing words. All doing words are called verbs, that is action verbs. Means a verb is a word that means an action. See some examples. First is I see a bird. Which action is done by you? Yes, see. We play hockey. Millie drinks water. Mother writes a letter. So, see, play, drinks and writes are action verbs. Sometimes we use S or ES to verbs when they are used with singular noun or pronoun. For examples, she plays guitar. Kavita sings sweetly. Payal watches cartoons. Verbs remain unchanged when they are used with plural nouns or pronouns. Examples: they play guitar. Radha and Kavita sing a song. We watch cartoons. You have to keep this point in your mind. With the pronouns I and you, verbs remain unchanged. For example, I watch cartoons. You play football. Let's come to the next point. Action verbs also tell us what animals do. For examples, how an animal moves. A rabbit hops. A horse gallops. A dog runs. A bird flies. A monkey jumps. A lion prowls. A fish swims. A caterpillar crawls. An elephant stomps. How an animal makes noise? A lion roars. A horse nags. A dog barks. An elephant trumpets. A crow caws. A cat purrs. A donkey brays. A duck quacks. A mouse squeaks. So, all the animals are doing action. Reena is drinking tea. What is Reena doing? Drinking. So here drinking is a action verb. Ratika is driving a car. What is Ratika doing? Yes, driving. Let's check how much you understand. Here are some sentences and you have to fill action verbs. Fill the blanks. Sunil is. Deepak is a book. What is Deepak doing? The boys are dash 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 kites. The baby is. What is mummy? Now see all the pictures closely and fill the correct answers. In this exercise, underline action words.